For today's video, we will show you how to buy Steam gift card on Amazon. It is a quick and easy tutorial, so let's begin. So I need you to log into both of your accounts on Steam and Amazon, right? And once you've done that, let's hover here on an Amazon.com. Say for example, we are going to purchase like a Valve Steam Wallet prepaid card for $20. All you're gonna do, if you're decided to buy this one, is add this item to your card. Now, go to your card. Say for example, you want to purchase this items right here. Once you are on your payment now checkout, you will be able to get the product key, and also that digital code will be sent to your email address, which is associated with your Amazon and Steam accounts. And once, say for example, this is the product key, all you're gonna do is copy that product key numbers and characters. So for example, that one. Now go to your Steam account and go to your Steam wallet. And once you are on the dashboard, you will be able to see your Steam wallet and just paste the product key there. All right. And once you've done that, that's how you buy and claim Steam gift card on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.